Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have a new light here from THRUNITE, and this is going to be a headlamp. I haven't opened the box yet, but it's the H01 orange, cool white. Obviously there's also a neutral white too. So let's open this box up and see what we have inside. Definitely this is going to be a small headlamp. This looks like a note. Yes, telling us to screw down the light head tail cap before use. They do that to disconnect the battery that's already inside it. Oh, we got a camo strap here too for it. So wow, cool looking. It's a nice right angle light. Looks like we have a button here on the end. And then we have our micro USB charging right here. So we obviously have a USB to micro USB cable to charge it with. Just plugs in right there. Plug this into your vehicle power bank or whatever. You can plug it into a 110 little brick, so you can plug it into USB that way. Then the cool part, of course, like all of the THRUNITE stuff, is they send extra parts. So it looks like we have a USB cover here, some O-rings, and different pieces that you might need, because you never know, you could actually open this up and accidentally rip this little rubber cover off. Well, they give you an extra one just in case that happens. And then we have a little clip here so you can actually take this light off. It just slides out of this rubber head mount. You can put this little clip on here and use it on in your shirt pocket. You can use it on a hat or whatever. Snap this little clip on like so. And then it's the reversible, both directions. It clips. You can snap it this way, or we could even put it on this one right here. Turn it around, snap it on this side, and then you can use it from either way, this way or this way. So really cool, nice little light. Comes with everything you need. Right here's your specifications for it. So I will show you the specifications here. I won't read them all off, take all the time to do that, but I'll show them here on the screen where you can actually see the specifications. So right there you can actually just pause the screen and read off all the specifications. Tells you all the power things. A few things I will tell you is like the different powers here. So it has the SOS that's 174 lumens, lasts 4 hours. Firefly is 0.05 lumens, which is really low, but it lasts 15 days. Low power is 6 lumens, lasts 60 hours. Then we have medium, which is 50 lumens and should last 7 hours. High power is 195 lumens, lasts 100 minutes. Then we also have the turbo, which is the super bright. It's 687 lumens, and then it lasts 75 seconds. Then after the 75 seconds, it will drop down in intensity to save the battery and to save the LED from being too hot, which is 205 lumens, 85 minutes. So pretty cool. But all the specifications you want to read is right here. So if you can pause the screen, you can check them all out. While we're at it here, we can take this battery and look at it. Let's pull this off. Very nice. You can see the PC board in here and the gold contacts, as they always do. And down inside here is the spring. Get it where you can see it. Very nice, made aluminum. This is anodized orange aluminum. It does have the rubber seal around here to make it waterproof. And let's see the battery here. This is of course a THRUNITE battery, 650 milliamp hour, 16340. It's a 3.7 volt, 2.4 watt hour battery. And I have tested these batteries before, and there's something about the THRUNITE batteries. They're very true to what they say, which a lot of batteries are not. These are very good quality batteries. So we want to tighten this cap here, and then when we turn the button on, it's nice that it lights up right here on the end. You can see it real good. Instead of a small light, there's a nice light there. So just turn it off and on. If we hold this down, it's going to go through our different powers. There's low, medium, high, back to low. And then if we double tap it, we have turbo. Triple tap it, we have SOS. Super cool. Now if we hold this down, like I'm sure all THRUNITEs do this, Hold it down, and there we have the Firefly Modes, which is extremely low. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this thing up, and then whenever it gets dark, we'll take it out and check it out at nighttime on this headband. I'll put it on my head and we'll try it out. So this is just a single headband. It's not the over-the-head type. And you can put this in either direction that you want. And like I said, you could have to take it out and use the clip on it if you want. But we'll take this thing out and try it out at nighttime, see what it's like. Nice logo right here. Says it's the THRUNITE H01 right there. So we'll charge it, take it out at night, see what it looks like. Okay, brought this thing outside. It's pretty near dark out here. As you can see, there, get up here, you can see. It's not pitch black, but it's dark enough to should do good on this little light. We'll test it out. Turn it on. And there it's on. So I'm shining it on this building. It's actually black all here, and that's on low power. Okay, there's medium. Wow, a lot of difference. Medium, high. There we go, high. Nice. Very nice. Let's do turbo. Turbo, wow. For such a small light, turbo is impressive bright. It is like probably 8:30 at night. Yeah, probably 9 o'clock. And it's like 90 degrees. Super hot. So you see my bamboo over here. The winter killed it out. Got real cold, but it just killed the tops. Come back by the roots. Alright, here's SOS. Pretty cool. Okay, let's turn it back on here. So one cool thing is it remembers where you was. I was in high power when I turned it off, so it's back in high power again. Except for it won't remember turbo. Something like that. But as far as the high, medium, low, the memory does work. We'll go down here. See what kind of critters we can see. No telling. As long as I don't walk up on a copperhead, I'll be doing good. Because that can happen anytime. You can darn sure hear all the bugs, cicadas and stuff in these trees. Pretty cool. So this headlight's pretty cool because I can walk around like this and I can just use the headlamp. All my hands are free to do whatever I need to do, except for when I'm holding the phone videoing, but actually works out pretty cool. Let's try the Firefly on this. Turn it off. Hold it down. Firefly, you're probably not going to see that on the camera. It is dim. But at night, I mean, I can see it, but you probably won't on the camera until I go down here. This little table. Yeah, see, it lights up that table. But as far as lighting up out the area, it doesn't do that. So, low, medium, high. There we go, guys. That's it at nighttime. Actually looks pretty cool. Check out these little pines we planted. Growing good. Looking good. And I'm out here walking around, and there is a possum. And he's not going to like me. He's noticed me now. He's taking off. All right, guys. So that is it. The headlamp from THRUNITE. This is the H01. Super nice and compact. You want one that's lightweight and small. Charges by USB. Built-in battery inside. And this is more of a floodlight, of course, as you've seen on the video showing it outside. Very nice little light. I will post a link to this below, and you can check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.